The cylinder head temperature sensor, or CHT for short, is used on Ford and Mazda products, and its job is to read and report the cylinder head's temperature back to the engine computer just as an engine coolant temperature sensor would. Now, these vehicles can use a CHT in place of the engine coolant temp sensor, or it can be used in conjunction with the coolant temp sensor. Now, this temperature reading is used to accurately control the amount of fuel that's injected into your engine. It's used to turn the cooling fans on, and it's used to run the coolant temperature gauge that's on your dash. Now, as the name suggests, you'll always find the cylinder head temperature sensor mounted directly into the cylinder head itself, either on the top of the engine, in between the cylinders, in the valley of a V-style engine, or threaded into the side of the cylinder head. Now, when replacing the CHT sensor, be sure to follow the proper torque specs because over-tightening can lead to damage of either the sensor itself or the cylinder head it's threading into. The new sensor that you get may or may not come with sealer on the threads. If it doesn't have the sealer on like this one, it's not required for that application. Due to the size and location of this CHT sensor, a special sensor socket may be required for proper removal and installation. Now, if your CHT sensor is failing, you'll usually end up with a check engine light on, and the vehicle may enter into limp mode or fail-safe mode to protect itself because it no longer knows the temperature of the engine. Common CHT sensor related codes include a P0128, P1285, and P1288. So why should you get yourself an NTK cylinder head temp sensor? Well, as with every NTK sensor, you're getting yourself a premium quality product with outstanding support and industry-leading innovation that's been bred directly from our company's OE heritage. These attributes and more truly make NTK the sensor specialist.